Hello, a very good evening to all my lovely boys and girls. I hope all of you can hear me and see me well. Yes. Hello, a very good evening, people. Hi, Manish, welcome, man. Madan, Vishesh, welcome, people. Hello, Manish Kumar, Vasanti, welcome. Nice to see you right on time. So guys, today we'll be continuing with our sprint series and the topic is gonna be vectors. I'm gonna continue from where I stopped in the last class. I hope you guys are all ready and excited for this session. And yeah, we are looking at it on a very special day, isn't it? Yes, Arnav, thank you so much, people. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. I hope you guys are all having fun at home. Thank you, Aishwarya. Thank you, Manish. Kaveri, welcome. Nice to see you. So people, shall we get started? Are you all ready? Are you all excited? So this is your Vector Algebra sprint series and we are aiming to crack your JEE Mains in the first attempt. And this is lecture number 2, guys. Lecture number 1, if you have missed it out, please go watch it. It will be of great use to you. And you are currently learning from Shimon sir. If you are new to the channel, let me introduce myself. People, my name is Shimon Joseph. I teach mathematics at Vedantu for 11th and 12th standard students who are aspiring to get into NITs, IITs and the premier institutes of our country. So we are gonna do our part to help you crack these exams with ease. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and watch our sessions regularly without fail so that you can have a significant improvement. Hello Rajalakshmi, welcome. I am doing great. Thank you for asking. I'm much better and I'm almost all right now. Today also you wanted to match your shirt with the background. I don't know guys, fortunately or unfortunately I always end up wearing the same shirt. So it's the only good shirt I have, you can say. Yes, JEE 2023 top 500 rank is really good. It is 99.95 percentile. So if you want that, you need to do much more than just videos. You need to solve a lot. Okay. Did you meet your cousins? Yes, Gokulnath. So we have a lot of plan the entire week. But of course, I will be taking YouTube sessions and I'll manage my fun time with family as well. So yeah, things are going good. Again, the same shirt. Everybody notices. You guys are very smart, man. This and all you remember properly. When I give you one formula and ask you to remember, that you forget next day. Good. Yes, Raju. I will teach you some good tricks also. Don't worry. So people, let's get started. But before I move into the session, I wanted to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas. I hope you all take some time out, spend some quality time with your family, with your friends and cherish this day so that you can start afresh tomorrow maybe. Got it? So people, with that, let me move forward and show you the channel that you're currently watching. This is JEE Enthuse, the English JEE channel of Vedantu. So Vedantu is a live online tutoring platform. We train students to get top ranks, be it IIT. Last year we had All India rank 35 in Advanced. All India rank 35. In Mains also we got All India rank 35. Exact same rank, yes. So we produce such top ranks through online education. And we have such high quality teachers. So you can check out the courses in the description below this video. Every YouTube video has a description, right? So you can go and check it out if you are interested. But make sure you subscribe because this is meant for you guys. We created this channel to help out the English speaking audience, which is you guys, because you chose to come here. So let it be known to your friends as well. Spread the word and it would be great if you can do that. And also like the videos, comment down what you feel so that your teachers are encouraged and teachers will know what to improve on. Hello Tashwant, Vanakkam man, I'm doing great. I'm not able to manage time. Manish, time is something which you have to squeeze it and bring it out. It can be from your sleep, it can be from your playtime. See, you have to somehow do that because Manish, you are at a very crucial point in your preparation. So you need to make time from sleep or playtime or your school, you need to cut down a little bit. Okay. Sir, you are so formal. I know. Sakti Priya, I wore the same dress some 4 days back. Students remember better than me. So I told it's the only good shirt I have. Hello Suhani, welcome. Arjun Rao, welcome man. How are you doing? So people, shall we begin? Are you all ready? What gift did Santa give you? So I got less sleep. So yesterday night I went to church and I slept around 2-3 o'clock. And I had to wake up early for again going and meeting my cousins. Anyway, now I'm alright. So let's continue with the session, guys. People, if you want to message me, if you want to ask something, sir, how to prepare, what to do, how to join the crash course, Vedantu's Tattva material is epic. How do I get that? So if you have any such questions, you can either comment down below this video so that any of our teachers will respond to you. Or if you want to be my friend, you can message me on Instagram. Nowadays, everybody from 2nd standard or 2 years to 40 years, 50 years, everybody is on Instagram. Okay, so you can message me and I'll reply to you within 2-3 days. Got it? So shall we get started? Is this vectors of 11th standard? Arjun, I am a mathematics teacher, man. So vectors in mathematics is in 12th standard, not in 11th. The 11th vectors is from physics. Okay, so that Shreyas sir will teach you. But of course, what I teach you will also help in physics, but I'll be going in depth. I'll go even further, deeper than what you learn in physics. Sir, ipo neenga enga irukkinga? I am in Chennai, man. I've been in Chennai for a long time now, almost a year. When are you going to start Tamil channel? New year, man. Everybody is asking. When I start, if nobody turns up, no, I'll come back and reply to you. I will reverse time with the help of Dr. Strange. Anyway, new year I'm planning to start, but let's see the response. I also am interested to see the response. If the response is bad, no, I will come and teach here only, silently. Okay, so Purushothaman, welcome, nice to see you. Great, so let's roll. Let's get into the session, people. This is your sprint series, Vector Algebra. So usually sprint is supposed to be one shot, okay? I have to complete vectors in one session, but my throat is not a good, good friend in such circumstances. So I cannot teach for 3-4 hours at a stretch. I broke the session into 2 parts. So this is part number 2. Okay, guys, this is part number 2. So make sure you watch part number 1 because there I covered the basics. Got it? Perfect. So people, let's get started. Here we go. Now, last class I taught you the dot product, which is scalar product. Now today I'm going to start off from cross product of 2 vectors. Okay, so cross product of 2 vectors is also called as vector product. Why is it called as vector product? Because guys, the result which you get from A cross B is also going to be a vector. Are you all clear? Everybody? So guys, that is very important. See, when you do A dot B, you get a scalar quantity. You get a scalar quantity means you get a value. But when you do A cross B, you get a vector as a resultant. You will get a resultant vector C. So that is why your A cross B is called as your vector product. Are you all clear? Exactly, like your torque, you can say that R cross F. Okay, absolutely right. You can say that, Vijaya, that's correct. And you have a lot of other vector quantities, vector cross products, right, in your physics. I guess angular velocity and radius, their cross product is also equal to velocity, linear velocity. So like that you have many applications of cross product in both mathematics as well as physics. Okay. So now people, the next one which I want to teach you is how do you find the direction of cross product? Let's try to have a look at it. Are you all ready? So let's try to find the direction of your cross product. So people, let's say you have your B vector like this and your A vector like this. What will be your A cross B? Your A cross B will be, you should point your fingers towards A, curl them towards B. point towards A, curl it towards B, then your thumb will point towards the direction of A cross B. Okay, so what can I understand from this? I can understand that my cross product will always be in a direction perpendicular to both the given vectors. Very important. My cross product will always be perpendicular to both the given individual vectors. My A cross B will be perpendicular to A. My A cross B will be perpendicular to B as well. Everybody cool? Are you guys happy with it? So shall we move forward, my dear boys and girls? Fantastic. You are all absolutely awesome. Now we know the direction. So whenever we talk about a vector, I told you cross product is a vector. Any vector quantity, my dear boys and girls, will have a magnitude and a direction. So the direction I just taught you now by using the right hand rule. But what about the magnitude? We need to learn that as well, right? So let's try to have a look at it. So when you have A cross B, my dear boys and girls, the magnitude of that is going to be equal to what? Mod A mod B sine theta. That's it. So in dot product you had mod A mod B cos theta, whereas in cross product you will have mod A mod B sine theta. That's it. Okay. So this is the magnitude of your cross product. Direction I have taught you how to find out. Now you know everything. Now you guys also know as much as I know regarding your vector cross product. Got it? So shall we move forward? Absolutely right, Gokulnath. What is this n vector or n cap? This n cap is nothing but the unit vector in the direction of A cross B. The unit vector in the direction of A cross B, which is found out by your right hand rule. Got it? Now, moving forward, I want to teach you guys the Lagrange's identity. What is Lagrange's identity? Lagrange's identity says your A cross B whole square. What is A cross B whole square? It is A cross B dot A cross B. So A cross B dot A cross B is what? Can you guys help me with that? That will be modulus of A cross B whole square. So modulus of A cross B is what? Mod A square mod B square sine square theta. Now my dear boys and girls, sine square theta, I can write it as 1 minus cos square theta. I can write it as 1 minus cos square theta. So I'll get mod A square mod B square into 1 minus cos square theta. So from that I can say it is nothing but mod A square mod B square into 1 minus mod A square mod B square cos square theta, which is nothing but A dot B whole square. Isn't that beautiful? Did you guys like it? Are you all able to understand how Lagrange's identity is formed? So this is the determinant form of Lagrange's identity. I want you guys to make a note of it. Because A dot A is mod A square, B dot B is mod B square. So if I open it, I'll get mod A square into mod B square minus A dot B into A dot B, which will be A dot B whole square. Perfectly it works. Are you all clear with it? Shall I move forward? I gave you the derivation as well so that you guys don't forget how it is obtained. Everybody cool? Why sine theta? Vasant, that is your definition of vector product, cross product, man. In dot product you have cos theta. In vector product you have sine theta. Clear? So shall I move ahead, people? A cross B dot B is 0. Yes, Manish, because A cross B will be perpendicular to your A and B individually. Okay, very good. Hello Indra Vaishnav, welcome. So people, let us look at some of the properties. The first property which I want to teach you, which usually people make mistake in is, so guys, your A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Your A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Are you all aware of that? Because in your dot product, you guys have all learned that A dot B is equal to B dot A. That everybody knows, right? This is correct, but that is not correct. The first one is not correct. In vector product, it is not commutative. You need to be very clear about it. Whereas your dot product is commutative. Are you all happy with it? Perfect. Now, then what is A cross B? Then A cross B, my dear children, is actually equal to minus of B cross A. This is correct. This is correct. So A cross B is actually minus of B cross A. Are you all clear with that? Sir, is that determinant? Yes, Gokulnath, that is determinant. That is determinant. Very good, Vasant. Is that dot product inside the determinant? Yes, Avinash, you are absolutely correct, Avinash. In the previous slide, you are absolutely right. Yes, absolutely, Selva Kumari. Vijaya, you should have an arrow. That's understood. A and B are vectors. Hello, Kumar. Thank you so much. A very happy Christmas to you as well. Exactly, Vijaya, you're right. So people, I hope this is clear to everybody. Now, let's look at the first point. If dot product is 0, what do we know? We know that they are perpendicular. I told you in the last class, you remember? Whenever the dot product between two vectors is 0, that means these two vectors are perpendicular. Like how you do in work power energy. If your force and displacement are perpendicular, then we can say that the work done is 0. Correct, na? That is dot product. But if vector product is 0, what can we say? If vector product is 0, my dear boys and girls, we can say that these two vectors are parallel or these two vectors are collinear. That is what we can understand given that both the vectors are not 0. So if your cross product is 0, it means the vectors are parallel. Why? Because cross product is mod A mod B sin theta. If sin theta has to be 0, then theta will be 0. That means they have 0 degree between them, which is parallel. Are you all happy? Shall I move forward? Fantastic. So these are all the next results which I think you guys are aware. I cross I is 0 because I and I are parallel. J cross J parallel, so 0. K cross K parallel, so 0. I cross J will be K. So for that we have this cycle. You have this cycle. So I cross J, if you go in this cycle, you will get plus K. But if you go opposing the cycle, like K cross J, that will be minus I. Okay. So I will help you guys write it. So if you go in the direction of this cycle, I cross J will be K, J cross K will be I, K cross I will be J. Very simple. But if I go opposing it, K cross J will be minus I, and then we have J cross I is equal to minus K, and then I cross K will be minus J. So that is what I wanted to show you guys. Are you all happy? Everybody cool with it? So shall I move forward? Yup. Selva Manikandan, please tell me what is your doubt. I will help you. And guys, I think there is a small lag. So today everybody is on holiday in Vedantu. So I myself started the session. Okay. So I think that is why there is a small lag between my voice and your chat. So whatever you're asking, I'm actually answering it. But my answer reaches you after some time. Okay. So please wait. Don't keep spamming the chat. Okay. But always be responsive. Let me know if you are able to follow. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a yo. Give me a fire. All that will be very interesting. Okay, for me. So shall I move forward? Shirt toy ko pod liya. Divya, I used it 4 days back. So yeah, again I washed it and I am reusing it. What to do? I have only one shirt. I'm not that rich. I keep reusing it for good occasions. Thank you, Indra. I am so happy you are understanding and you are enjoying the class. Kannairam Hari, welcome man. Nice to see you here. So people, let's go to the next one. I hope all of you are ready. Now people, the last point is very important. How many of you can understand the last point? Everybody, give me a thumbs up. Give me a yo. Give me a thumbs up if you can understand the last point. Because my dear children, the last point is amazing. You have applications of the last point asked in your JEE Mains and JEE Advanced quite frequently. So at that time, you should not be scratching your head thinking what to do. So you should immediately have this in your mind. So I told you, right, if you have A vector and B vector, if you take the cross product, A cross B, that will be perpendicular to both your A and B. Correct, na? Your A vector and B vector will be perpendicular to A cross B. I hope all of you are clear with that. Did you all like it? Perfect. So now, if you want a vector of magnitude R, and perpendicular to both A and B, then guys, perpendicular to both A and B means it is this direction, na? Because if I do this, I will get the unit vector. I will get the unit vector in the direction of A cross B. This will give me a unit vector in the direction of A cross B. Now people, this will be perpendicular to your A and to your B also. This will be perpendicular to your A and to your B also. Everybody got it? Now I can put plus or minus also. Why? Because if A is like this and B is like this, then this is also perpendicular and into the board is also perpendicular. What? This direction outside the board is A cross B and into the board is minus of A cross B. Both are perpendicular to these two vectors, but this is unit vector. I want a vector of magnitude R, so I will multiply by R. That is what they have done here. Did you love it now? Now you will not forget it because you understood it. This is what I want from you guys. Are you all clear? Everybody? Perfect. Brilliant, guys. Exactly. Extra finance, you are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. Vaishnavi, amazing. And Annamalai, nice to see you. Welcome, man. And Vinay, I'll be in this channel only, man. Okay. I just told I teach maybe in Tamil in January. I might start a separate channel, small, mid-sized one. But I'll be predominantly here only because this is the main channel. Got it? Because we have a lot of friends from Andhra, Kerala, Karnataka and North India, West, East India. So definitely this channel is my first love, my first baby. So I'll always take care of it. Okay. But I might venture into Tamil also in the next year. Got it? But don't worry, I'll be here for sure. Selva Manikandan says, sir, I have only 8 hours of self-study. Can I get 97 percentile? If I start now, I will do Tattva first and second exercise. Yes, you can do that. Along with that, do previous year's questions of last 10 years. If you do that on your own, sincerely, you can crack it, Selva Manikandan. That's the honest truth. But if you want to take help, if you want to write test series, if you want to do assignments, if you want to take help from teachers who know JEE Main's content, then you can also take the help of Crash Course. Think about it. It's a smart decision, okay? Because relying only on self-study, you don't have any competition. You don't have anyone to compare yourself to, okay? People say that you should not compare yourself with others, but guys, in a competitive exam, you should at least be realistic. You might be thinking you are Superman because you are studying 8 hours per day. But in reality, you might be very far behind. So that test series will expose to you. So that is the advantage of writing test series. I hope you got that. Now you can think about it and make a call. So shall I move forward, boys and girls? What is R in the formula? R will be given to us in the question, Suhani, because a vector of magnitude R is denoted like this. So the magnitude R is what I wrote here. Because, Suhani, this is a unit vector, Suhani. This is a unit vector. But I want a vector of magnitude R, na? So I'm multiplying with R. Did you get it? Are you all clear with it? Shall I move forward? Yes? Fantastic, guys. So with that said, people, let's jump forward to the next one. Can you all try to solve this? Come on, guys. Every single person should try it out. I want maximum participation. Avinash, will we complete all the lessons before the first attempt? See, Avinash, I don't know when is the first attempt, man. I will try my best to do all chapters which are important, but I cannot guarantee it, Avinash, because if the exam comes in February, then I may not be able to complete it. But if the exam is after February, pakka I will complete everything. Don't worry. Okay. How to fray question? What is that, man? Fray. My English is not great. I don't know what is fray. Dilip, hello Dilip, welcome, man. In PYQ, will it just have JEE Mains question or advanced too? Rohit, for JEE Mains, just do JEE Mains questions. That is enough. That is a primary one. But if you want to get top rank, na Dilip, If you want to get top rank na Rohit, you have to do slightly advanced questions also. The easy questions of JEE Advanced, na, that also you should try. That's what toppers do. Those who are aiming for 99 percentile, na, that's the trick they do. They try to solve JEE Mains previous years along with JEE Advanced previous years also. That will take you to next level. But first, take baby steps. Do your NCRT, do your Tattva material, do your Vedantu assignments, and then go for previous year's questions of JEE Mains. Then finally, to top it all off, you can try JEE Advanced questions, okay? But for mains, you don't have to rise up to that level if you're aiming for 90 percentile. If you're aiming for 99, then you have to do advanced also. Great. So people, shall I solve this? Will I get Tattva material if I bought crash course of class 12? When of course, you get it as assignments. Vedantu's crash course assignments, they're all from Tattva. That's what I've been telling you from the beginning of December. From the time crash course started, I've been telling this to my students. If you cannot get Tattva material by joining the 1-year program, which is 30,000, then you can at least take the crash course, which is 8,000 because of Christmas offer. Today it is 8,000 because of Christmas. You can make use of that because there you will get assignments as Tattva material. Perfect. Great, great, great. Perfect. So people, let's try to solve it. How many of you have done it? Guys, I'm seeing no participation. What happened? Everybody is dull, is it? Or is it too difficult? Come on guys, let me see some energy in the chat. I'm here on a Christmas evening teaching for you guys and you are acting like 60-year-old grandma and grandpa. Let me see some energy guys. This is not the right attitude. Come on. Manish, I got it Manish. Frame. Yes, I will show you how they frame questions. That's beauty, right? The way JEE Mains designs its questions is amazing. So you can learn that from previous year's questions. When you solve them, you get to know the beauty of it. Hello Setu, Merry Christmas to you as well. Welcome, welcome. People, what are you all doing? Still nobody is energetic. What is this guys? Come on. Amal says, I am not able to solve it, sir. Janet is saying, I am trying. Okay, so Janet, I will help you, don't worry. So first of all, guys, I want everybody to tell me what is A cross B. So A cross B, do you guys know to find out? I hope all of you can. So you will write I, J, K, and A is what? 2, 1, minus 2, and B is 1, 1, 0. So that is your A cross B. So A cross B is what? Can you guys help me? It will be I into 0 minus of minus 2. That will be plus 2. So that will be 2I minus J into 0 minus of minus 2. So again that will be plus 2. So that will be minus 2J. And then plus K 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is your A cross B. So what is your modulus of A cross B? Modulus of A cross B is equal to root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 is equal to 3 square under root, which is equal to 3. Is that right? Now take this. Modulus of A cross B is nothing but mod A into mod B into sine theta. What is the angle between these two? Angle between these two is 30. So sine 30 is equal to, what do we have? 3. So I will get, this is nothing but 3 mod C. Sine 30 is what? Sine 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to 3. So mod C is what? Mod C is equal to 2. Till here, did you understand? Was it amazing? Hello Sanjay Ram, welcome man. I am doing good. Thank you for asking. Very good Manish. Manish is absolutely right. Gokulnath says, sir, answer is option A. We will check it Gokulnath. You might be right. Did you all enjoy it so far? So now what information I have not used yet? I have not used this information still. So let's try to use that and complete this question. Are you all my lovely boys and girls happy and ready to move forward? Yes? Very good. Calm Killer, all the best man, do well. And Calm Killer, like I said, the price is 8,000 now. It might change back to 9,000 within a week. So plan it accordingly. Okay. Amal, I am happy you enjoyed it. Madan, fantastic Madan. Now people, let's use the last information. What do I have? I have modulus of c minus a is equal to 3. Now I will square both sides. So if I square both sides, my dear boys and girls, I will get this. So this will be what? Mod c square plus mod a square minus 2a dot c. Correct now? That will be equal to 9. So this is mod c square is 4 and mod a square is 9 minus 2a dot c is equal to 9. So 9 cancels. So I will get 2a dot c is equal to 4. So a dot c is 2. So Gokulnath, you are absolutely right. It is indeed option A, which is the right answer. Did you all like it? Yes. Are you all happy with it? Very good. Sanjay, yes, the answer is option A, 2. Very good. Gokulnath, that's correct. Modulus of A is 3. Yes. Modulus of A is 3. I directly used it here. Why modulus of A is 3? Because modulus of A is what? Root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. So that will be equal to root of 9. Root of 9 will be 3. Clear? Yes. Extra finance. I took part 1. This is lecture number 2. Lecture number 1, I have taken it already. You can go and check it out later. Okay? Perfect. So with that, people, let's move forward to the next one. I hope you enjoyed this question. Very good, Janet. That's amazing. Great, Sanjay. Sanjay, I'm glad you are enjoying it. Now, let's look at the next formula, the next property that I want to teach you guys. This is again crucial for your JEE Mains. Now, this is regarding area. When you have area of a triangle asked, you can use a very beautiful formula. I will show you how it is applied so that we can go and use it in questions if in case we encounter it in our exams. Okay? Perfect. Very good, Suhani. Great. So guys, let's say that you have a triangle ABC and ABC are the position vectors of the 3 vertices. Okay? So A is the position vector of vertex A, B is the position vector of vertex B, and C is the position vector of vertex C. Then the area of the triangle is given by this formula. Can you all note it down? Guys, this is very important. The area of the triangle is given by this formula provided A, B, C are the position vectors. Guys, this is very important because there is one more formula for area of triangle. Area of triangle, there's one more formula. What is that? Half the cross product of adjacent sides. AB cross AC. So here AB will be what? AB will be B minus A vector cross AC will be C minus A vector. So this is also equal to this. So that is another formula, but there we have cross product of the sides. Cross product of the sides. AB and AC are 2 sides of the triangle whose cross product I am taking. But here, my dear children, A, B and C are the position vectors of the vertices. You need to be very careful about it. People go wrong there. That's why I am repeating it. So A vector is not side A. It is just a position vector of vertex A. That you need to be very clear. Don't confuse them. Okay? And people, if the area is 0, you say that these points are collinear. It is another way to test collinearity. So to check whether 3 points are collinear, you can find the area of the triangle formed by them. If it comes out to be 0, then of course they are all lying on a same straight line. Okay, is this live, sir? Jitesh, absolutely, man. I am live. I know it's hard to believe today is Christmas, but this has been pending, so I wanted to complete it. Okay. So shall we move forward? Are you guys ready? Do you all like it? Perfecto. Let's go ahead. So this is the next formula, which is area of a parallelogram. So when you have a parallelogram whose adjacent sides you know, So you know A and B. So A vector is side AB and B vector is side BC. So when you know 2 adjacent sides of a parallelogram, the area is given by just the magnitude of their cross product. Okay. It is just magnitude of their cross product. So that is area of parallelogram. Now, if you want to make it even more general, you can make it for quadrilateral as well. You can find area of a quadrilateral. Area of a quadrilateral is nothing but half into cross product of diagonals. Half into cross product of the diagonals. That is a very generic formula. This is valid for any quadrilateral. See guys, parallelogram is a special case, but this is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is just a four-sided figure, right? So this is going to be very, very generic, very important. Please make a note of it. Okay. Hello, Saravana Karthik. Welcome, man. Merry Christmas to you. And Parthipan, Merry Christmas to you as well. Roshni, I guess. Welcome, Roshni. Nice to see you. So people, shall I move forward? Yes, Sanjay. I will try to make a series on shortcuts only. I will do that. Don't worry. Perfect. Yes, you are correct, Manish Kumar. So I have a question for you guys. Please try to solve it. Everybody, come on people. Every single person needs to get it right. Guys, I gave you the formula. If you go wrong, then that is cruelly wrong. Okay? Perfect. Will you take a trigonometry sprint session? Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. I will take a trigonometry sprint as well, but a bit later. First, I am trying to cover the 12th standard term 2 portions so that your seniors can benefit. Devan Kumar, very happy Christmas to you as well, man. Thank you so much. Yogesh, thank you, Yogesh. I'm glad you liked the shirt. I used the same shirt some 3 days back. Yes. Sanjay says option C. So guys, is Sanjay correct? Everybody, what do you think? Is it option C or is it A or is it B? Can you guys let me know quickly? Everybody go for it, guys. Farafat. Brilliant. People, what are you all doing? How much time? My God. Comedy Gaming Kingdom, thank you so much. I'm glad people are watching from Nepal as well. I got a message from someone who was staying in Afghanistan. And it was a genuine message, guys. Even I was surprised. So people from Afghanistan are also watching our channel. That's amazing. So Surya Prakash says C. Very good, Surya. Madan says C. And Comedy Gaming says C. Jitesh, take care, man. I will meet you in the next session. Arjun Rao says B. Okay, we will check it, Arjun. Don't worry. So Arjun, the formula is half into cross product of diagonals, na? That is the formula. The cross product of diagonals, magnitude you have to take. So first let's find the cross product. What is the cross product, my dear? How do you find it out? You say ijk and then you write the components, right? So you have 3, 1 and minus 2. You have 1, 3 and minus 4. So when I open it, what do I get? I cap minus 4 plus 6. So that will be 2 I cap. Then you'll have minus j cap times of minus 12 plus 2. So that will be minus 10. So it will become plus 10 j cap. And then you'll have plus k cap times of 9 minus 1, which will be 8. So 8 k cap. So this is your d1 cross d2. So d1 cross d2 magnitude will be what? It will be square root of 4 plus 100 plus 64. So that will be 1 by 2 root of 168. So 1 by 2, if I take it inside, it will become 1 by 4. So 168 by 4 will be 42. That is your answer. I hope you guys got it. Sanjay, yes, you are absolutely right. Ayush, welcome, man. Nice to see you. You're from Pune. That's awesome. I heard Pune's weather is also very cold these days. Nowadays in India, every place is very cold. I don't know why. In Chennai, you won't believe it is 25 degrees Celsius. It's very cold for Chennai. Okay. I feel really cold with 25 degrees. If I tell it to my North Indian students, they are like, sir, are you joking? Here we are having 2 degrees, 3 degrees and you are telling 25 is cold. But guys, in Chennai, 25 is really, really cold. because we always experience temperature above 35, 40 only. So for people who experience 25, 30, 35, 40, for them 25 is decent, it's cold. Soundarya, thank you so much Soundarya. Very happy Christmas to you as well. I hope you're all having fun. Krish Singla says, sir, in Haryana it's 5 degrees. Yes, I know. In Haryana and Punjab it's very cold now. It's very, very cold. But guys, in Chennai, it's just 25. I know it's very kiddish to say that. But guys, it's seriously, 25 itself seems very cold for me. Okay, so let's move forward guys. Let's go ahead. So people, before I go to the next topic, I just want to brief you about the crash course. So this is the performance of Vedantu students last year. So Vaibhav Bajaj was our topper. I met him in the celebration. Did you guys see that? He also spoke in one of the videos, right? So I met him, his parents, very, very, very wonderful guy. So we all had a celebration for the toppers. There I met him. So he was our student. He trained with us for advanced as well. He got cleared. He got into IIT. I think his rank was around 300. I'm not sure. In advance. In mains, he was our topper, All India rank 35. So these are our results from Vedantu's Eklavya batch, from Vedantu's crash course students. So we had 900 students in top 10,000. Top 10,000 is 99 percentile. I hope you guys know that. Top 10,000 is 99 percentile. People think 99 percentile is great. But guys, 99 percentile means it is top 10,000. In top 10,000, we had 900 students from Vedantu. That is a very great achievement, guys. Okay. And if in case you also want to be here next year, 35, 113, 139, 158, 179. If you also want your name to be on this slide, I would say start working from now. Work very hard, work at least 8 to 9 hours a day. And if you want help, you can take the help of our crash course because of Christmas, we have an offer going on. The crash course was 10,000, but now it is at 8,000. So you guys can make use of the offer and you can join it. How to join Eklavya? We have a test series for that, Vendrajit. You need to clear that test series, only then you join Eklavya because Eklavya is free of cost. Okay. Yes, Janet, no problem. Take care and do let me know in the comments after you watch the remaining lecture. Okay. Crash course will not clash with school timing because crash course is at 5:30. It will be at 5:30 in the evenings. So you guys can go to YouTube and you see this is the video you're watching currently, right? So you can come below the video and you see here, this is the JEE crash course. You can click on it and you can join it. So this is just 8,000. If you pay EMI, you can use credit card. You can use credit card. EMI, it is just 2,600 per month for 3 months because the crash course is only for 3 months. Okay. If you use that, you can just pay 2,600. The crash course has test series, assignments from Tattva material, and then you also have doubt solving feature along with live classes. Live classes, in case if you miss out, you can watch the replay by recording. Because after the live class is over, we will share the recording with every student. And people, all these classes are taken by our master teachers in Vedantu's platform, not in Zoom class or not in Google Meet. Vedantu is an educational tech company. So we invest a lot in technology. We create platforms which are meant for teaching. So only if you go and experience it, you will understand what I'm talking about. But the teachers, I can definitely talk proudly about them because they are all the best in the country. Akash Nair sir is from IIT Madras. Then we have Vikas sir from NIT Jalandhar and Mohit sir from IIT BHU. Mohit sir is for physics, Vikas sir for chemistry, Akash sir for maths. So these are your teachers. The timetable will be given here. Can you see there? View full schedule. So you see the classes, Avinash, they're all from 5:30. So it won't affect your school timing. So I hope you guys are clear. You know how to check it. You guys can check it later. Right now, let's move aage. Shall we move forward? Can I get some energy from the chat? Can you guys give me a thumbs up? Can you guys give me a yo? Your name, please. Saravana, my name is Shimon Joseph, man. I am from Chennai. Let's go aage. Yes, guys, we will go aage, but give me some motivation in the chat. Give me some energy. Samuel, you are not late, man. You are late just by 40 minutes. You are early for the next class. You are early for Shreyas sir's class. But no problem, Samuel. I'm glad you could come here. We will make use of the next 30-35 minutes. Okay. Coffee. Vishesh, I had coffee before the session, man. One class is for 3 p.m. Avinash, yes. Rarely, Avinash. We'll have sessions at 3 p.m. But again, if you miss it, you will get the recordings. So it shouldn't be a big problem. Wrinkle, welcome. Nice to see you here, Wrinkle. I am seeing you for the second time. Last time I pronounced your name very wrong. Poonam, welcome Poonam. Nice to see you. Surya Prakash, let's go. Perfect. So guys, now we are coming to triple product. This is where students will struggle. Okay, this is where students will struggle because students, they don't learn triple product properly in school. In CBSE, they won't teach you fully. Triple product, they'll just give you formula. They'll ask you to solve some basic questions. But for JEE Mains, you need to understand it in a very clear and crisp manner. Okay, so that is why this is important. Let's all learn it in a very exhaustive and clear manner. And if you guys have questions, you can ask me anytime. I will help you. Nishita, classes will be there every day. Yes, Nishita. Monday to Friday or Saturday, you'll have class. Sunday, no class. Because Sunday, you will have test series. Okay, Nishita. That's the plan. Vedantu's crash course is our flagship program. It's one of the best courses that we put a lot of energy into. So you guys can check it out. And if you have doubts, you just comment down below in this video, Nishita. I will help you. Or you can message me on Instagram. Okay? Okay, now let's get started, people. Let's not get diverted. Any other question I will answer in the end. Okay? Now don't disturb. So people, what do we have? What is scalar triple product? So scalar triple product is what I wrote over there. It is nothing but A dot B cross C, or you can say it is A cross B dot C. Are you all happy? So that is what I call as your scalar triple product. That is what I call as your scalar triple product. That is represented as box of ABC. So what is box of ABC? Box of ABC is nothing but A dot B cross C. So finally you have a dot product, and that is why you get a scalar quantity as a result. You have a dot product finally. That is why you get a scalar quantity as a result. So that is why it is called as scalar product. Scalar triple product. Got it? Everybody cool? Fantastic. So this is your box of ABC. And guys, here there are a lot of good properties to be learned. Okay? There are a lot of good properties to be learned. Let's try to have a look at them. Guys, if you rotate them in a cyclic manner, for example, A goes there, B and C will come front. Or B goes there, CAB will come. If you rotate them in the cyclic manner, all of them are equal. All of them are equal. Can you see that? ABC, BCA, CAB. All of them are equal in magnitude. This is a property of box product. Please do not forget it. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? Everybody cool with it? Rohit, I showed you how to join it now, Rohit. It is there in the description. The cost is 8,000 for the next 3 months, all subjects along with test series and assignment. You can check it in the link below given in the description. Okay? So people, are you all happy with it? Guys, please be responsive. I want everybody to give me a thumbs up, a yo, so that I know you are understanding. Otherwise, I will think that nobody got it and I will again repeat it. So that will lead to waste of time. So please be responsive in the chat, guys. I want everybody to. Suhani, what are you doing? You are only telling aage chalo. But you are not telling whether you are understanding or not. Give me a sign, Suhani. Siva Prakash says, yes, sir. Kanishma, welcome. Very good evening. Nice to see you here. What about others? What are you guys doing, man? All after evening you get tired, I think. Great, Surya Prakash. That's the energy I wanted. Brilliant. So now the next point is, guys, if you have box of ABC, if I make one change If I make one change, Manish, you are asking a very good question, Manish. Manish, I am answering your doubt. If I make any one change, if I change this alone, then it will become minus, Manish. Then it will become minus. 2 changes means plus. 3 changes means minus. So odd number of changes is minus. Even number of changes will be plus. Are you all clear? So that is what I have explained here. Can you see here? So here B and C are interchanged. So one change, therefore minus. Did you all like it, my dear boys and girls? Are you all happy with it? Manish, I hope I answered your question. Got it? Fantastic. And people, next point is slightly advanced concept. I want you to take it down. Whenever you say 3 vectors are coplanar, what do you mean by coplanar? Coplanar means all the 3 vectors lie on the same plane. For example, like this, A vector, B vector and C vector. So do you all agree these 3 are coplanar? Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear, absolutely. Why? Because they all lie on the plane of this whiteboard. The whiteboard plane only they are lying. Huh? So if I take the scalar triple product of the 3 of them, I will get 0. If I take the scalar triple product of the 3 of them, I will get 0. Are you all happy? Saravana, I have explained it very slowly, man. Please pull the video back and watch it. You will be able to understand. Okay, let's go aage. Let's solve some questions now, people. I hope all of you are ready. Go and conquer it. Everybody please do it fast, guys. Fatafat. Everybody please do it fast. Come on. Even means plus. Sanjay, you are absolutely right, Sanjay. Winter evenings are very lazy. I can see that. Sai Puneet is following carefully. Very good, Sai Puneet. I am glad to have that response. Kingmaker. Very good evening, Kingmaker. Nice to see you. Unique name you have. There is an IAS academy called as Kingmakers Academy in Chennai. Very good. So people, shall we solve this? Why 0? Because the scalar triple product means what, Suhani? It is A dot B cross C. Na? So when you take B cross C, Suhani, B cross C will be perpendicular to the plane containing B and C. B cross C will be perpendicular to the plane containing B and C. Now A is coplanar. So if I take A dot B cross C, it will be 0 only now, Suhani, because A dot B cross C will be perpendicular. So did you understand it now? So that is a beauty. Now you will not forget it because you visualized it. You understood it conceptually. So that is very important, my dear children. Okay. Yes, Madan. Why not, Madan? Why not? JEE Mains is not a tough exam. I have told you this plenty of times. I will tell it again. JEE Mains is an exam for everybody. It just needs your sincerity, your hard work, your effort from now on. If you do that, Madan, there is no stopping you. You can reach great heights. But be sincere and consistent and work hard. That is important. Okay, Rajashri. Very good evening, Rajashri. Nice to see you. Madan says option C. Okay, so guys, here it will be 1, 2, 3, 0, lambda 4, 0, 0, 2 lambda minus 1. Now this should be 0. Did you guys do that? Because guys, A, B, C are non-coplanar vectors. So you can take it as I, J, K. So A, B, C you can take it as something like I, J, K. Now these 3 should be coplanar. That means the determinant of their components 1, 2, 3 and then here A is not there, so 0. B is lambda, C is 4. Here A, B are not there, so 0, 0. C has 2 lambda minus 1. So this determinant should be 0. Is that correct, Sohani? Did you understand it? Are you able to follow? Because just now I told you now. Just now I told you it will be coplanar when the determinant is 0. And how will you make the determinant 0, Sohani? By taking their components, right? And I told you A, B, C are all non-coplanar vectors. You can think of them as I, J, K. Think of A as I cap, B as J cap, C as K cap. and then you solve it. Now these three vectors, you have to make them non-coplanar. Non-coplanar means it should not be 0. Okay. So now find it. You can do it now. So it will be lambda into 2 lambda minus 1 should not be 0. So lambda should not be 0. Lambda should not be 1 by 2. So except for 2 values of lambda, everything else, it will be non-coplanar. Did you like it? Was it epic? Was it epic? Good evening, sir. How is Christmas? Saja, my Christmas was great. I had a good time with family. I went out to church. Now I'm back to teaching. What is special? Christmas, decorations, plum cakes, friends, family, talking, gossiping. That's special about Christmas. Apart from that, I might travel, so that is also there. Yeah. Good, good, good. Not 2, Avinash, it's 1 by 2, I think. Please check it. I think it's 1 by 2. Okay, so guys, let's move forward and have a look at the properties of scalar triple product. Guys, these are all very, very top level properties which I'm teaching you. So please make a note of it and try to make the best use of it, because guys, this is very, very good for your JEE Mains. First one, IJK, box of it will be 1. Why is that? Because what is IJK? IJK is I dot J cross K. Now, my dear boys and girls, what is J cross K? J cross K is I. So, what is I dot I? I dot I is 1. Did you all like it? That's why it is 1. Now, when you have a scalar inside the triple product, you can just take it outside. When you have a scalar inside to any one of the vectors, you can just take it outside. Are you all happy? So the first 2 properties, are you all cool with it? Varun, welcome, welcome. Very Merry Christmas to you as well, Varun. I hope you are having fun at home. Thank you, Saja. That means a lot to me. Great. Perfect. So are you all cool with it? Did you all like it? Perfect, perfect. Now, the next one, if you have A plus B, CD, box product, then it's equal to ACD plus BCD. So it is distributive over one term. It is distributive over one term. So one of the terms, if you can express it as a sum or difference of 2 vectors, then that will be expanded in this fashion. So these are all properties which you guys have to practice. See, I cannot give you questions on each one of them. You have to go use your Tattva material. In crash course assignments, we give you questions on all of them. And then you have Tattva material, which has questions on all of them. You have Cengage, you have Arihant, you have your coaching material. You go research, find questions, solve them and get better understanding. Because in our YouTube session, it is just 1.5 hours, 2 hours. I cannot cover each and every aspect of it. Okay, so you guys need to step up and raise your bar. The next one is again a property. So if you have A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, then the triple product will be 0. And if you have A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, it will be twice of ABC. Guys, these are all very useful to simplify questions. It might look like a very simple property, but heavily used in JEE Mains. I'm telling you again, this slide is very important. Okay, so let's move forward. Are you all clear? Perfect. Here we go. Everybody, please note down this one as well. This is also very important. Sanjay, I will start maybe in January first week, man. Sinona Art and Vlogs, very Merry Christmas to you as well. My parents are not allowing you to play half an hour also leisure time. I know, man. You study properly for 2-3 hours. You impress them and then you tell them, now you should let me go. Maybe that they might agree. Otherwise, you tell them you need to relax your brain. But you need to be sincere. Okay, depending on your sincerity, they might feel convinced. Got it? Yes, Siddharth, I am also excited, man. We will meet on Monday. We will continue with circles. Hello, Harish. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Sanjay, I will let you know. So guys, this is the next one. Again, very, very important property. These are all tricks which usually you don't learn in your school or in your regular classes. Okay, these are all tricks you learn from JEE teachers. So please make note of them very carefully. So first one is volume of tetrahedron. I'm sure you guys are all aware of what a tetrahedron is. Tetrahedron is a shape of CH4 structure, right? In chemistry, you might have heard of tetrahedron a lot because you learn it in chemical bonding, you learn it in organic chemistry as well. So tetrahedron is a shape, got it? So if you have a tetrahedron and if you want to find the volume of this, then it can be found out by scalar triple product, and that is a formula. And Suhani and all the others were asking, sir, how is it 0? How does this come? Guys, I'm going to give only formulas because nobody cares about how you derive them. People are interested to know how you can apply what is given to you. Because you think about it now. Let's say you go into college, you are researching something. You want to create a supercomputer. Will you go back to 18th, 17th century, Charles Babbage, how he made first computer? You want to go through all the derivation? Or will you start from the latest research paper? You will start from the latest research paper. Whatever latest findings are there, from there you will continue to build the future invention. Like that, don't worry too much about the derivation, how 0 came, how that came, this came. Nobody is going to ask you that in the exam. But they want to understand how you can apply what you know. Because that's what engineering and research is all about. Whatever is done till now, how do you use it and develop it? That is a real skill. So focus only on that. And yes, if you are really passionate about maths, you can invest time on learning the derivations. But in this class, we will not be doing it. I'm more interested in you at least knowing them. Knowing them is very important. Okay, guys, this is volume of tetrahedron. But what if volume of parallelepiped is asked? Volume of parallelepiped is box of ABC. That is also very important. Okay, box of ABC is what? Box of ABC is volume of parallelepiped. What is a parallelepiped? Parallelepiped is a 3D figure. A parallelogram, if you extend it in 3 dimension, that is what we call as parallelepiped. And parallelepiped volume is ABC box product. Tetrahedron is ABC 1/6. So 1/6 of parallelepiped is a tetrahedron. Okay. So what are ABC? ABC are the 3 adjacent sides, 3 adjacent edges of a tetrahedron. ABC are 3 adjacent sides or edges of a tetrahedron, and similarly here also ABC are 3 adjacent sides or edges of a parallelepiped. Got it? Everybody cool? Fantastic. And the next one is centroid of a tetrahedron. So if you know the vertices, guys, if you know the position vectors, A, B, C, D are position vectors of A, B, C, D. If the position vectors of A, B, C, D are known, then the centroid is given by this formula. Okay. So these are 2 important observations which I wanted to give you guys. So if you're all clear, then we'll move forward. Hello Arshita, I am doing fabulous Arshita. I am doing great Wrinkle. Great, great, great. Fantastic. Merry Christmas Jacob Mount. Merry Christmas Varun. Thank you so much. Flamer YouTube, welcome. Vanakkam Siva. Nice to see you here. So people, I hope all of you have made a note of this. Let's go forward. Let's go aage and solve a few questions. Please do it guys. Quickly. I want you to be fast. Everybody. Lightning fast. Lightning fast and maximum participation. That would make me so happy. Please go for that guys. Hello SR channel. Welcome. Nice to see you. Check your Telegram. Kalai Vannan. I will check it, man. A lot of people have messaged because of Christmas, right? So I missed out messages from many students asking some important query. Which course you took in IIT Madras? I did Naval Architecture and Ocean Engineering, and my specialization was Energy Technology. So that's what I did in IIT Madras. I did the dual degree, BTech and MTech, 5 years. Exactly. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, this is a JEE Main question. Can you all see that? And I gave you what is the formula for. I gave you the formula for volume of parallelepiped. So try to use that. Okay. This year can be enrolled by JEE Mains percentile. You mean Ekalavya batch? Yes. Ekalavya batch, yes, you can enroll by JEE Mains percentile or by clearing the Ekalavya entrance test, or you need to already write JEE Mains of last year. If you wrote JEE Advanced, then you're eligible. Okay. Great. Perfect. So people, let's get started. What do we have here? A, B and C. So your volume is how much? Your volume is 158. Volume of parallelepiped is what? Box of ABC. So box of ABC is equal to 158. So box of ABC means what? A vector is 1, n. B vector is 2, 4, minus n. And C vector is 1, n, 3. So this is equal to plus or minus 158. Why plus or minus 158? Because volume is given, right? Volume is just box of ABC. You can take it as plus or minus 158 and you can solve it. So guys, can you finish it and tell me what is the answer? Everybody? Can you finish it and tell me what is the answer? Suhani, you are not listening carefully, Suhani. Parallelepiped, I told you what it is. See, that means you're not listening. You're not paying attention carefully. So if you don't pay attention, I will not respond to your doubts. Got it? I told you very clearly what is a parallelepiped and you're asking me the same question again. Try to be careful, guys. Okay? Avinash, Ekalavya, you need to get 96 percentile and above. 96 percentile and above. Nisi, Merry Christmas to you as well. Thank you so much. Hello, Shimon Sir's Laddu. Merry Christmas to you. Welcome, welcome. So people, shall I move forward? What is the value of n? Guys, come on. Somebody tell me now. Nobody is working. Everybody is in a different zone today. Guys, finish it off. Tell me what is the value of n. Please try to do that. Mihir, DTU entrance exam, I'm not sure, man. I think JEE Main should work, if I'm not wrong. Perfect. So guys, when you solve it, I think you will get the value of n as 8. Is n 8, guys? Is n 8? I think it should be 8. So if you put n as 8, you will get 2i cap plus 4j cap minus 8k cap as B vector. And your C vector is what? C vector will be I cap plus 8j cap plus 3k cap. So what will be B dot C? Your B dot C will be 2 into 1, 2. Plus 4 into 8, 32, minus 8 into 4, 24. Okay, is that right? So you will get plus 10. So B dot C is 10, correct. So guys, when you solve this, you will get n as 8. When you solve this, you will get n as 8. So that solving, I'll leave it to you. I know the answer because I've solved it before. Okay, I've solved it before. You will get n as 8. When you open this determinant, that I think you can solve it. It is not very difficult. It is a simple stuff. Abhay, very good Abhay, you are absolutely right. Now, finally, we are coming to the last topic for today, which is your vector triple product. So guys, what is vector triple product? So as the name suggests, here also you have product of 3 vectors, just like the previous case. But here, you will get vector as your final result. So you have A cross B cross C. So how do you open A cross B cross C? Guys, I'll tell you the technique. Please remember, you name it as 1, 2, 3. So if it is 1 cross 2 cross 3, it will be equal to 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 2, 3. So that will be what? 1 is A and 3 is C and then you have 2 minus 1, 2, 3. So this is how you open it. Guys, it's very important. This is when you have A cross bracket B cross C, because if you have the bracket in the front, that is a different formula. I will show you how to open it, don't worry. But here, please try to make a note of it. Where do we use vector algebra? Wrinkle, we use it heavily in 3-dimensional geometry. Okay, so in the next chapter I will teach you 3D geometry. There we will use a lot of vectors, Wrinkle, and vector algebra is a branch of mathematics. Okay, so it is useful in geometry. It has a lot of applications, Wrinkle. Maybe not for your engineering entrance exam, maybe not for your field. You might be interested to do computer science, or you might be interested to do biotech or mechanical. But in math, there is a field called vector algebra. Okay, vector calculus is there. So there we will use all these results which we are learning. What fees did I give for dual? When I studied in IIT Madras, I think my fees was 1.5 lakhs per year. So I studied for 4-5 years, so it was around 7 lakhs. 5, 6, 7 lakhs it would have costed. Totally, along with hostel. So I stayed in hostel, so you have to stay for sure. Yes, Nisi, one shot is good, Nisi, you can use that. You can use that, but if you are very serious, Nishi, for your JEE Mains 2022, then you can take the crash course. That would be a better choice, because there you will have test series and assignment. But if you cannot afford it, then your one shot is good. You can go for it. Okay, so people, let's go forward. Now, the last one. I told you now, if bracket is the front, then you have a different set of formula, but no need to mug this up. I don't mug this up. Even I don't remember this. The way I do it is, I'll teach you my technique. See, this I can write it as minus of C cross A cross B. Now I'll use the same previous formula. I will use the same previous formula. What did I have there? It is going to be minus of 1, 2, 3. So it will be 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 2, 3. Did you guys like it? Are you all happy? Now, if I put minus inside, I will get A dot C times of B minus B dot C times of A. Did I get the same formula? Amazing! I got the same formula, but I did not memorize this. I used my understanding of the previous formula. Did you guys like it? Are you all happy? Midun Vimalan, happy Christmas to you as well, man. Thank you so much. Yes, Siva, you can reduce fees. If you have scholarship, definitely you can. Everybody reduces fees in IIT, but unfortunately my dad was working in government, so the salary limit was more than scholarship limit, so I could not. But if you do business, or if you do any other private job, then I think you can. People usually claim scholarship, everybody. Almost everyone from OBC category, OC category, they do. Okay, Manish, IIT Kharagpur, I'm not sure, man. It'll be the same. It'll be similar to what I said. It'll be similar to what I said. Okay, it's very similar to what I said. Now it's increased. When I studied, it was 10 years back. 10 years back in 2013. Now it will be 2.5 lakhs per year. Now it will be per year 2.5 lakhs. Renu is asking, when are you coming back to Mysore? I would love to. I like the pleasant weather of Mysore. Let's see, hopefully next year. Hello, Rudra Pratap Singh. Welcome, man. Guys, shall I move forward and solve this? Why do they charge this much money? IIT is a central government institute, man. You can't help it. Like, you have to pay that much because the facilities are so good. You have all sports. You have a big football ground. You have a big stadium, athletic stadium. You have a hockey ground. You have a tennis ground, basketball court, volleyball court, gym, swimming pool, Olympic size, hostels, mess, good teachers, good labs, very good computer facilities. So you pay for all of that. That's why it's expensive. But it is not as expensive as private institutes. Private institutes will be more than this, commenter. It will be more than this. It will be around 3-4 lakhs a year. Private institutes, like if you want to go for good ones. I think VIT and all should be expensive. VIT, BITS Pilani is also very expensive. Okay. So people, let's get started now. Manipulation. So here, I'm going to do something. I'm going to cross with A in the front. I'm going to cross with A in the front. So I'm going to cross with A in the front. I'm going to cross with A in the front. So this is what happens. So what do we have? 1, 2, 3. So that will be 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 2, 3. and that is equal to A cross C. So what is A cross C? Can you guys help me with that? So A cross C, my dear boys and girls, will be I, J, K. It will be 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, minus 1. So if I open it, what do I get? I cap minus 1, minus 1. So it will be minus 2 I cap. And then minus J cap, you'll have, what will have? You'll have minus 1. So that will become plus J cap. Then plus K cap into 1 minus 0. So there will be plus K cap. Is that right? Are you all happy with it? So I have minus 2i plus j plus k. I hope I did it correct. Guys, please cross check it. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, j minus 1, 0, k 1. Okay, correct. Now, what is A dot B? A dot B is 3, na? So A dot B is 3. What is A dot A? A dot A is mod A square. Mod A square is what? It is equal to 3 because 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So mod A square is also 3. So this will also be 3. So I have 3b is equal to 3a. So 3i cap plus 3j cap plus 3k cap minus of that. So it will become plus 2i minus j minus k. So that is your 3b. So your 3b will be what? Your 3b vector will be 5i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. That's it, over. So what is your b cap? Modulus of b is equal to 1 by 3 times of under root of 25, 29, 33. So 33 by 3 is your answer. So 11 by 3. That's your answer. Got it? Are you all clear with it? Did you all like it? Yes, wrinkle. I know. In Punjab, it's very, very cold. But in Chennai, it's 25 degree. But that itself, I feel very cold. In Chennai, 25 is cold, guys. Queen walkers. Before JEE first attempt, will we complete all the chapters? See, I don't know whether I can complete all of them, but I'll at least do the important ones. Important ones, I will pakka do it, for sure. Got it? Merry Christmas. In Tamil, how can I say, man? I don't know what is Merry Christmas in Tamil. My Tamil is not that great. Christmas Nalvalthukal. But that's for New Year. Okay. So people, with that, we will complete this session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Take care. And like I said, if you want to really push your JEE Mains preparation, guys, this is not enough. I know some of you might have felt this is like, sir, you're teaching next level content, sir. All these things I didn't even know before. I want to learn things like this. Guys, I will try my best to help you. But if you want a very organized system, then I would really recommend you to at least go check the JEE crash course of Vedantu, because it is our flagship program. We do a lot of study and analysis of how to improvise it for our students, and we have done it this year. Okay. So the crash course is for 3 months. It will be in English. It will be taught by our star teachers, and we will give you assignments from Tattva material. Tattva material is the famous material which was used by All India Rank 1 in 2017 and 18. So 2017 you had Sarvesh Mehtani, and 18 you had Pranav Goyal, right? Both of them were students of our founders back in those days. So they used this material. It is a proven study material, and from that we will give you assignments in our crash course. So crash course will have assignments, it will have test series, it will be for 3 months, it will have doubt solving, and also you have regular test series. Okay, so that is the whole idea, and you have interactive classes in our own platform. It is not like your Zoom class, it is not like your Google Meet, it is in Vedantu's platform, which some of you might know. If you download Vedantu app, you will understand how these classes are. They are very interactive. It cannot be like you will sleep in the class and we won't find out. We will continuously ask questions in between. We have quizzes. We have leaderboard. We encourage you to participate. So Vedantu's classes are a bit unique, that more than me saying it's better you observe it. You go and check it out. Okay. And the best part for students who are starting now is you will get study material and notes given to you as PDF. Your notes will be given to you as PDF. That's the best part. So you don't have to write your own notes. You can just refer to these formulas. That will be enough for your JEE Mains. And that's how we have produced a lot of toppers. Last year, 900 students we had in top 10,000. So it is not impossible for us to make you also a topper. We have had displacements from 10,000 rank to 400 rank in advance. So our teachers are capable of producing that magic, and that magic is available for a very reasonable price now because of your Christmas. So today we have Christmas, right? Today I know you guys have been wishing me from morning. So today is a very special day, but I still wanted to be here because I know you guys have to improve. I feel you should be very serious now, guys. I don't want to cool down, because me cooling down will make sure you also cool down. I don't want that to happen. Okay? So please try to be excited, try to be sincere, try to be committed, and do a lot of self-study. Solve a lot of questions. That is very important. Okay? So do well, and in case you need help, you can take the crash course. I would say it is definitely useful. Tsunami, Clay Tsunami, welcome man. I'm seeing you after a long time. How are you? I'm so happy to see you here. Yes, yes, yes. That is a Christmas cap on JEE Enthuse logo. Nice touch. Absolutely. Disha publication. Yes, yes, you can use that. Sham Sundar, for basics it's good man, but not more than that. You need to take it to a higher level. And Blade Dan, HC Verma is good. I used HC Verma when I was a student. When I was a student, I used HC Verma. Okay. So people, I will show you how to join our crash course. So you need to go to Vedantu YouTube channel. So you see the video right now. So this is the video you're watching currently. So if you see the video, just come below the video and 1 second. Just come below the video, and here you see JEE crash course is there in the description. You can click on that and you can join the JEE crash course. It is right now available for 8,000. Guys, it is actually 9,000. They reduced the price because of Christmas. Otherwise, it's not 8,000. It will again go back to 9,000. So if you want to join, today is a good day to join. Okay. And finally, people, if you want other courses, you can check it out. Droppers batch, 12th standard batch, CBSE term 2. Many of you are asking, right? Sir, CBSE term 2, I want to prepare. You guys can go and check it out. Again, because of Christmas, everything is at a discounted price. So now would be a good time to experiment Vedantu. Got it? Perfect. So with that, people, we'll conclude our session. I hope you all had fun. We will meet in the next session. Till then, take care and all the very best. Do join our Telegram group, because there I will share the PDF of our class. Our Telegram group link will be given in the description along with my Instagram ID. So my Instagram ID you can see here now. It is Shimon_Joseph. You guys can follow me there. I'm quite active. Hello, Janasena, welcome. Is gravity a vector? Guys, gravity is acceleration. So of course it is also a vector. Acceleration is a vector, na? What was your rank? Siva, I got all India rank 464 in JEE Mains and 4,000 in Advanced. Okay. So that was my rank. I will talk about my JEE Mains journey because I did very well in JEE Mains. I want to share my experience. I will create a video on that. Okay. How I got 99.97 percentile and how I was Tamil Nadu state rank 5. Okay. I will make a video on that and I'll help you. But don't wait for somebody to come and tell you to start to prepare. Instead, you push yourself, you get started with this journey. Got it? Perfect. So with that, people, I'll conclude the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, because I want to see you again. Tonight at 9 p.m. we have a fantastic session. And also like the videos, not just this video, other videos of Shreyas sir, Wasim sir. They all work very hard to help you guys out, because YouTube, you know, is completely free of cost, but still we teachers, we come and give our best because we love you and Vedantu loves you and cares for you. So I want you guys to reciprocate by spreading the word at least to 2 or 3 of your friends and also liking and commenting on the video. Got it? Hello Nivasini, welcome, nice to see you. Perfect. So guys, with that we will conclude. I love you all. I'll see you tonight at 9 p.m. Till then, keep working, keep rocking and stay happy guys. Bye-bye. Take care. See you.